Issue with integer optimization with Gekko. I tried with this code and the result was 2,2. Obviously it's not true, since 0,4 is a best solution. Could you please tell me where is it the problem?
All of the solvers, m.options.solver with 1 equals a popped, 2 equals popped, 3 equals a popped, find the local maximum point, 2,2, with initial guess, 0,0, and other initial guesses as well. There are 2 local optima at 0,4, and 4,0. This is a non-convex optimization problem. The solvers are nonlinear convex optimization solvers, so they should find one of the local solutions. This problem reminds me of a saddle point problem if you rotate the graph to orient with the x0 equals x1 line. Optimizers can have problems with saddle points if there is no check for an indefinite Hessian. Better initial guesses help the solver find the optimal solution, such as x0 equals 1 and x1 equals 3. Also, an upper bound, 1.999 on one of the variables or a lower bound of 2.001 also finds the optimal value. The constraints limit the search region so that it is a convex optimization problem and avoids the saddle point. I created a contour and 3D plot of the optimization problem. Because the problem is non-convex, you probably want to switch to a multi-start method or use a non-convex optimization solver.
Numpy.